Question 25 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question. That's your UTME CBT exam. It says, how many sides has a regular polygon whose interior angle is what 135 degree each? Okay, remember this is a polygon and we're talking of interior angle here. Remember the sum of the interior angles. Okay, should I write this down? The sum, okay, let me just write sum of interior angles of an n-sided, we're actually looking for the sides. An n-sided polygon is equal to what? 2n minus 4, all bracket multiplied by what? 90. Okay, so this is the formula. That's it. What this means is 135, okay, times what? N is equal to what? 2n minus 4 bracket 90. Okay, that's the sum of the interior angles of an n-sided what? Polygon. And it says whose interior angle is 135 each. So 135 times the number of side is equal to what? This. That's the sum, okay, of all the interior angles equal to what? This. So what to look for what? N. Is that not it? So what to find n? So here, what do we do? Okay, let's open up this bracket. So here, 135 times n is 135n is equal to, opening up this bracket, we have 90 times 2n, we have 180n, minus 90 times 4, we have what? 360. Okay, take n to this side and 180n to this side. We have 135n minus what? 180n equal to what? 360. And this, when we subtract, we're going to get a minus what? 45n equal to, okay, sorry, there's a negative here, equal to negative what? 360. So we divide both sides by negative 45 to get our n. Okay, so this will cancel out, this negative will cancel out, and when you divide 360 by 45, you're going to get what? 8. So this is an end, this is a polygon which has what? 8 sides. Okay, so it has 8 sides, so n is equal to what? 8. And our right option here is option B.